Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my eyebrows tutorial, so if you're interested, keep on watching. The first thing I do is I brush my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna be using my eyebrow brush and the L'Oreal shade in dark brown. So I like to start off with my tail of my eyebrow and I just make a line at the bottom and at the top. Then I fill the area in. For the front part of my eyebrow, I do a line at the bottom and at the top once again, but with a really light hand. Then I drag all my product from the middle and bring it to the front to make that nice faded at my eyebrow. Then to conceal them, I use the Vivienne Sabot concealer in number 1 with this concealer brush. Then I just blend my concealer with another brush from Sephora.
Emotion, I don't even know what's right. I just say fuck it, keep on going. I got all I need. You know what I mean? Yeah, we pour up till we go up. Ooh, and I got way too many fans, not enough to forfeit. So many fucking bands, so you know we finna blow it. We be faded when I'm sober when I'm faded. Who is good and that's the one kind of best is no debating. I got way too many fans.
For the top of my brows, I don't use a concealer, I just don't like how it looks like. So I prefer to use my foundation from MAC. After creating this line, I'm gonna blend it with the same brush. Now I'm setting my eyebrows with the Essence Gel. For the last step, I'm taking the MAC highlighter and I'm gonna be using it only under my eyebrows. And yeah, that's pretty much how I do my eyebrows. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and to see you guys in the next video.